Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of settings on the application of Plex. We go to settings. Here in this page, you can go to apps, default apps, app settings. On above, you can search about Plex and you can click here. Then you can go to first stop and you can click OK. After that, you can go to the window of storage. Then you can click on clear cache. Here you can turn off your Wi-Fi. And you can turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.